Hey there! Let's dive into this explainer on mastering warehouse quick tickets, straight from Mike Simmons.
Do you need warehouse supplies fast to keep your awesome school programs running smoothly? Let's fix that.
We're covering 2 easy steps today, locating your dashboard and seamlessly submitting your request. First up, locating the dashboard. You'll immediately spot 4 distinct types of quick tickets available. These range from everyday restocking to summer surplus recycling trips or even rare inventory corrections. Now, step 2, submitting a request. Here's a massive insider hack. Totally ignore the top section. Seriously, skip it. The warehouse honestly only needs 3 essential pieces of info from you. First is your exact delivery location. They need to know exactly where to route your stuff. Like maybe it's heading to Alliance Academy for Innovation for their incredible aviation and robotics programs. The second core requirement, urgency. This helps the warehouse prioritize their delivery schedule effectively. Just tell them, is this a burning emergency or simply your standard monthly restock? And finally, the third thing, simply type out the exact parts you need delivered. So you might be wondering, what should you do with the rest of those optional fields? Well, you can flag if rare student info is involved or notify colleagues like your ATC. Let's talk attachments. These build a way better experience, especially for those summer surplus pickups. Attaching a picture and room location literally saves the warehouse team from driving around aimlessly. Once those core fields are filled, hit submit. It is honestly as easy as that. So, with these shortcuts, how much time will you save this summer mastering quick tickets?
Hopefully you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you head over to my YouTube page, make sure you subscribe if you find these videos helpful. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.